Yay, another Dollar Tree haul. So this time I went to Dollar Tree with my mom and we were just checking out all that they had to offer, which was a lot, obviously. This is the aisle with all the goodie bags. So they have amazing selection of goodie bags. Now these ones are the ones that come in 25 pieces for $1. So it's really good if you're doing goodie bags, like 50 goodie bags. It's just $2 you're spending. And then they also have the reusable bags like this that you can use year after year. They also have really cool tablecloths, papers, cups, napkins, all the things you need to have like a really fun party. So I was into it. I cannot wait to get my own house so I can have a Halloween party. Halloween is going to be my absolute biggest, most favorite event at my house ever. So now on to the favors. They have a lot of favors. Now my thing with the favors is I like to buy things that have a lot inside. Like this has 12 pencils. If I wanted to do 50 bags, I'd probably have to buy like 4 packs of these or $5, which is not much if you think about it, but I like to spend $1 on maybe something that has 25 in it or a larger amount. That way I spend less. Another great idea to do is to actually buy some stickers, like these really fun Halloween ones, and just cut them up individually and put them into the goodie bags. That's what I've done this year, and you guys will see that. So now we have little rings. These are really awesome because there's already 50 pieces inside, which is really good. These teeth are really good, but what I found is I have a lot of little kids, so sometimes the teeth doesn't fit in their mouths, so you want to be wary of that. There's stickers, there's other goodie bags. What I'm doing this year is kind of being a little bit gender neutral because you never know, you don't want to assume. Girls may like creepy little things too, guys may like just regular things. I really liked this puzzle set, however it was only 6 pieces inside, so I skipped it. But those are really great favors if you're having a Halloween party at your house to give to, you know, your nieces and nephews, kids, whatever. Those are actually really good. So now we have the decor, and I'm obsessed with pumpkins. I have pumpkins all over my room, but I thought this one was very cute. It had a little face in it. They have Halloween wrapping paper, so this is Harry Potter. And these little candies were so cute. They're little lollipops, the gummy lollipops. These ones I also picked up. I really like those. And the little lip pops I picked up for my nephews because those were just one for $1. Then they have the little Ziploc baggies, which are really cool if you want to just give a couple of pieces, set them up. That way you don't have to like go through your whole little candy jar and give a handful out and then you end up with less. That's why I like to go with the goodie bags. These are also really cute favors for Halloween parties as well, and giving favors to kids that you actually know. And of course the Christmas section is here. I'm definitely going to go back to pick up a few of these ornaments. I really want to decorate my tree with these ornaments. They're so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with them. So we'll see about that in some upcoming videos. You guys will see the things that I pick up. But these ornaments are everything. They have really cool, pretty glittery ones, fancy ones. You cannot go wrong in Dollar Tree. Honestly, Dollar Tree has been a complete and total blessing for me this past year. They also have black roses, which are really cool. So if you want to do like a little arrangement for Halloween. And then we have the fun little book section. Books are also really good favors to give away if you're having a Halloween party or if you are giving away to your kids or you want to make a goodie bag for your kids. These are really fun and you want to invest more into your own kids rather than, you know, strangers. This was actually the best trip ever because I found this Lisa Frank watercolor book. You paint with water, so you just add some water onto a paintbrush and you paint it. I definitely picked that up. And then they have tons of little puzzles and games and little calendars you can add in. I actually found a Lisa Frank calendar that I was dying for. I'll show you right now. It is so cute. I'm so excited. The only thing is inside, the colors of the days are colored in. They're not plain white, but those are so amazing. You can also go ahead and add in some really fun crafts into your goodie bags. You have these little beads. You can add in just a few and then add in some of that string right there. and have a fun little bracelet. So you just want to be creative with it. You don't have to have everything Halloween themed, because you want the kids to enjoy their treats for a long time, not just for that one day. So I thought this was pretty cool. You can add in little googly eyes, you can add in pom-poms, different things that they can be creative with. I personally am taking that route today. Of course, you don't have to do this, but I thought it was a pretty fun idea. This is also really cool too. They have tons and tons of stickers, boy stickers, construction stickers, fashion stickers. You can go ahead and add those into the goodie bags as well. Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm so excited. I am ready to share with you guys my goodie bags and how I pack my goodie bags. I've been really into just kind of like casually filming. I don't know if you guys like that. Let me know how you like it, or if you like when I have like an actual intro and blah blah blah. I find that this is easier and it's more personable, and it's more like of what I'm going for on my channel, just kind of like chilling, talking to you guys. So let me know what your thoughts are on it. I could definitely switch it back up, but I thought this would be kind of cool to just share like this. Anyways, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few tips and tricks on how I pack my goodie bags for Halloween. I normally do goodie bags every year for the kids on my block and like, you know, family, friends and stuff like that. So I'm very excited. I feel like I've gotten the shopping down for it, so I'm excited to share with you all my little finds. Obviously, if you clicked on this video, you like these kinds of things, so if you do, give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe, and follow me on @Reesiibabe and @ReesMUA. Those are my two main Instagrams, and I'm so excited, so let's get right into it. So the first things I want to talk about are bags. Now, you can go to a number of different stores to get some really cool bags. This entire past year, I've just been like obsessed with Dollar Tree. I did not pick up any of the Dollar Tree bags, however, that I'm going to share with you guys, but Dollar Tree has amazing things, and I'll share with you guys some of my finds. These I got from Walmart. Walmart is also a very, very good store to shop at. And my goodie bags are mainly for like little kids. What I give inside the bags are like things for little kids. It's nothing like big kids would enjoy or anything like that. So I like to stick with that. I like to go with two different patterns just because I like to split it up boys and girls. So I have these, and then these ones I had gotten last year. They're so pretty. I love them. I got these actually from Michael's. These are the ones that I'm going to be using this year though. So the next thing that I want to talk about are tattoos. Kids love tattoos. And what I've come to learn is that even though it's Halloween and you're giving like really fun, cool Halloween things, if it's not candy, they're not going to be using Halloween notebooks in December. So you kind of want to get neutral kind of things. So girl tattoos that look like this is super pretty, or like fun like food tattoos I think are really cute. These are really awesome, so I would definitely recommend doing something like that, something kind of gender neutral. The next thing is stickers. These stickers and the tattoos I'm actually going to cut out individually and put them in the bags. I have guys and girls, and then a gender neutral one, and then I have fun little cute stickers. Maybe I'll do 2 of each in a bag, but I think these are really fun. I also last year got these, and I believe I got these from Walmart, I want to say, or even Target. I'm not exactly sure, but these have 4 tattoos inside, and they are super duper cute. 4 little tattoos that look like that, which I think are cute. And then also from Dollar Tree, I picked up these guys. These are all sticker boxes. There's 18 pieces, and they have 8 stickers inside, which I thought was cool. So another set of things that I had from last year are these fun little Halloween erasers. And I believe I got these, I want to say from Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. From the brand Creatology. I don't know if that's Michael's or if that's Target. So then from Michael's, I actually picked up these witch fingers. I thought these were super cute. When I'm buying little favors, I try to buy in bulk. So anything that has 20 pieces and it's like $2 to $1, I pick it up. These were on sale, 40% off, so I went ahead and I picked up 2. I like to do that because it saves me money and time, and I have everything in one place. You drop one of these in every bag and you're good to go. So what I've decided to do this year was, instead of filling these bags with loose candy, I'm gonna save the loose candy for regular kids or bigger kids. and I'm going to start doing Halloween themed candy. So bubblegum eyeballs, black lollipops, Halloween candy bracelets, these Halloween pops with Frankenstein and a witch's hat, ghosts, pumpkins. So these are gonna be in a few bags because this is 6 each, so those are gonna be in certain bags. Then I have the Halloween candy sticks that has all the superheroes on them. Superman, Batman, I think it's just Superman and Batman. And then Fred Flintstone, Scooby-Doo, Tom and Jerry for like the girls or for, you know, gender neutral. And bloody bites. These are glow-in-the-dark plastic fangs, so you bite into them and like the blood spills out, which is cool. So these have 8 in them. So the ones that I give these to, I'm probably not going to give these two. So it's kind of like one or the other. And then same with this, because this has 10 pieces. So this is only gonna fill in 20 bags and I have 50. And all of these things are $1. So I did not spend a lot of money at all on them. I wanna say I probably invested, especially if you're going to shopping, if you're gonna go shopping at Dollar Tree, $50 and you're good for your goodie bags. Like that's it, that's all you have to invest. So I finished my goodie bags and I ended up having to use these old ones because I didn't have enough. And the black ones that I had, the trick-or-treat ones, they were so dark I still wanted to be able to see to give the presents out. So I'm quickly gonna go ahead and share with you what I have in the bag. So in this bag, I'll take it out and show you. I don't think I mentioned I added in some glow bracelets. So I have a glow bracelet, I have 4 tattoos that are in here. I have the candy stick, I have the witch finger, which is so cute. I have a black lollipop, I have an eyeball gumball, I have a bracelet, I have a little sticker, and I have a little eraser. So that's the first variation. In another bag, because I ran out of some of the things, I added in gumball, glow stick, these little vampire teeth with fake candy blood, 8 stickers, a tattoo, and candy sticks. So this is pretty much what's gonna be in a few of the bags. Same thing with these. If I ran out of anything, I didn't go and buy anything else. I just added in more stickers or more tattoos to it, and if anything, I'm gonna add in a little bit more like regular candy, but probably not. So these are the bags. So these are the bags that need to be tied, and these are all the ones that are done already. I just have to be very careful. If you're doing the little glow bracelets, you just want to be careful not to crack them. My nephews were having a hard time with that, so some of these may not work, which sucks, but they're already in the bag. So yeah, just be careful with the glow bracelets if you guys are tying them off, to make sure not to crack them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Until next year. See you later.